Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to utilize the Add Stop or Multiple Stop feature in our website for trip creation. Let's get started by logging in. Here you'll see the Book Trip option. Click on this. Now you'll be able to see your pickup address and destination address. Here, you also have the option to access the Destination Later feature. If you decide to proceed directly to your destination without adding it initially, you can still do so at a later time, as well as an Add Stop option. We can also refer to it as adding multiple stops. Add Stop in transportation services is used to add an extra location between the initial pickup point and the final destination. This feature makes multiple stop journeys more convenient for users, optimizes routes, and even makes cost sharing an option. Overall, the Add Stop feature enhances the user's experience, making the transportation service more accommodating and versatile. To apply this, click on Add Stop. Then input your first destination address. Next, set your pickup address and a final destination. This feature also allows the inclusion of a first destination. Here, you can add your second destination. If necessary, you can add more locations, up to 5 if permitted by the admin. Let's add a third destination here. Once all addresses are added, you can see the multiple stop and final destination. This layout is also visible on the map, showing your pickup, destination, and stop addresses. Next, click on Select Type. You can observe the notification for the estimated time and the availability of a driver nearby. You can view the fare estimation, which includes base fare, distance fare, time fare, and cancellation fees. You'll also see the pickup address and destination addresses along with the distance and time. You can view the estimated price for the fixed rate. Afterwards, you can choose to payment, such as cash, card, and wallet. You can also bid a price, but for a standard trip, no bidding is necessary. Promo codes can be applied here if you have any. And if you desire to apply a promo, you can do so by selecting the promo option from the available offers. Next, you will notice the Ride Now button, allowing you to create a trip immediately. If you want to schedule the trip, you can also proceed with scheduling. Currently, we can choose the Ride Now option. You can view one of the dialogues related to the fixed rate. If you prefer to pay an estimated price as a fixed rate, you can indicate your preference by clicking on the Yes button. However, if you opt for a trip based on time and distance, you can click on the No button. For now, since we are selecting a regular trip, we choose the No button. Following that, once a driver accepts your trip, you will receive a notification. Upon confirmation, you can access the driver's details and engage in communication with them through the chat feature. You'll also see vehicle details like vehicle type, number plate, and the trip details include the pickup address and any multiple stops you have specified where you intend to make stops during the journey. You can edit your destination address if needed, and you can also review your selected service type, and if needed, you have the option to change your payment method. You can also check the trip status at this location. You have the option to split the payment with friends, but for now, our focus is on the normal flow, specifically the multiple stop feature. Following that, you can observe the option to cancel the trip, and you have the ability to do so when the driver has not yet initiated your trip, and driver is arrived our pickup address. Now you can observe that our trip has started. Additionally, you have the ability to track the trip status, including when each stop begins and ends with time. Once the trip is complete, you can now view the invoice. Click on the Submit Invoice button to access all the trip details, including the invoice with relevant information such as ride charges, tax charges, other charges like tip and toll, total, and customer payment mode like cash, card, and wallet. Also view the trip status as well as you can, also all the trip details, including the pickup, stops, and destination. Lastly, you can rate the driver, give a tip, and provide comments. When finished, click Submit. That completes a trip using the Add Stop feature. Thank you for dedicating your time to watch this video. Your attention is greatly appreciated. The video mainly centered around guiding you through the process of creating a trip with an additional stop. We trust that you found this information helpful.